What's up, YouTube? We are out here on a cut cornfield. They cut it about a week ago, and there's doves flying. We got the mojo out in front of us. I got my good hunting partner Ram here, ready to wear some out, hopefully. And it's only about 3 o'clock right now. There's some doves flying in the back of the field though. But we're gonna see if we can't bring you a few kill shots at least. So stay tuned. Shoot, you want to shoot him around?
How did you miss those?
I don't know, Ram. I was trying to let them get up so I didn't shoot them when they were low. And look, they fly up and fly to the right, you can't shoot them. I mean that way. If they go that way, you can, okay? Have your gun up and ready. Keep your finger off the trigger until they start flying and then bust them. I'm gonna be right here. Just keep walking. They're straight in front of us. I got you, I got you. Get your gun ready. They're about to fly up any minute now. Oh, there they go. Shoot them, shoot them, shoot them. I got you. Get them. All right, Ram. Good shot, bud. Hey. Look, now kneel down, kneel down. They might come back. I know, I left your bullets back at the place. Oh, there's one right there. Did you get it out?
Yeah.
Alright.
Get back on safety.
Alright, good. Hey, you almost hit it, man. There you go. Oh. Yup. I think you hit that one.
Where? What's the phone?
No, I mean it flew out. You didn't kill it, you just hit it. Then might come back around.
Who's that?
That's Judge shooting a long ways away.
Judge?
Yeah.
What kind of gun does he even have?
12 gauge.
Huh?
A 12 gauge, just like ours. Oh, right there, right there.
Dad, there's one over there.
No, that ain't one. That was one in front of us though. Here's the one right here, look.
Shoot it.
It's too far.
Shoot it.
Too far. Oh, mama hit it. Keep going. Wait, I'll tell you when. Just hold on. Just hold on. Bust.
Got him. Good.
Well, you can still shoot at them. Is that jammed at all?
No.
Done good?
Not that I know of. I mean,
Oh, right here, right here, right here.
Nine.
Let's see what they do.
See what we can do. See what we can do. Shoot, shoot, shoot.
No, they're too far. They might circle back around. Will's fixing to shoot at them. No. The Judge's gonna shoot at them up there on the hill. Oh, here they come back. Nope. Judge fixing to knock them out of the sky.
Yep. It's probably knocked down.
He must not have been paying attention.
there's been that couple that Will must just be looking down.
Well, I thought about the same thing about you a couple of times.
Well, one time you hollered and I didn't see a bird anywhere.
Yeah, they landed in the tree above your head.
I didn't see them.
Yeah. I saw someone in the water somewhere.
Oh, they're coming down. Too low. Mama! get it, I'll get it. Here comes one right there, right down the middle of the field. Bust him, bust him. Oh man, almost. And this way. Don't shoot it, don't shoot it. Okay.
Yeah, you got him. You wanna go get that one?
Huh? Yeah, go get it. That dove's coming back around, son.
I'll get him.
Alright, get your gun ready. Look, sit down on your bucket. Wait, I'll tell you when, I'll tell you when. Just hold off. Just hold on. Bust him.
Got him. Dead.
You go get that one. Leave your gun here. You go get that one. I'm gonna go get this one.
Is it the time when the doves start to come out now?
It's getting close. This is the good time of day.
I know, but
Oh, there's one right there, man.
You can get him?
Yeah. What do you think?
Good.
You gonna taste good? That's what we ended up with right there.
Not too much for me with the cracked corn in the background.
Between 5 of us.